At Draganfly, we are pleased to announce a strategic teaming agreement with Autonome Labs to develop an integrated aerial deployment solution for mine and ground integrated clearance, known as M.A.G.I.C, which is Autonome's groundbreaking mesh-based demining system. This collaboration will combine Draganfly's heavy lift drone platform with Autonome's M.A.G.I.C system to safely and efficiently deploy smart demining mesh designed to neutralize and detonate landmines across all hazardous terrain. This joint solution will enable rapid clearance of explosive threats, significantly reducing risk to human demining teams while accelerating the process of reclaiming safe, usable land. This partnership showcases the true potential of advanced technology to make a meaningful difference, bringing safety to dangerous areas, helping rebuild communities, and delivering tangible hope to regions in need. By teaming up with Autonome Labs, Draganfly is enhancing its ability to create real-world impact in some of the most complex and challenging environments. Draganfly's heavy lift drone platform, known for its precision and high-capacity transport capabilities, will be specifically adapted for low-altitude targeted deployment of Autonome's innovative mesh system, ensuring accurate coverage in difficult and unpredictable situations. This collaboration marks a major advancement in how autonomous technology can be applied in high-risk zones. And by integrating Autonome's intelligent demining mesh with Draganfly's proven drone platform, we are delivering a scalable, effective approach to clearing dangerous terrain and enabling access to critical land, saving time, money, and lives.